Hi everyone, welcome to Crochet Together, our program for a beginner crochet project where we'll begin making a simple and stylish coaster. This project is perfect for new crochet and anyone looking to refresh their skills. Let's get started. You'll need yarn, weight size 4, a crochet hook, scissors, and an embroidery needle. Before we start with the coaster, let's practice a swatch to get comfortable with the basic stitches. First we'll start with a chain stitch. Make a slip knot, place it on your hook, yarn over and pull through the loop on the back of your hook. Repeat this until you have a chain of 11 stitches. Next is single crochet. Insert your hook into the second chain from the hook. Yarn over and pull through the chain, where you'll have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through both loops on the hook. Repeat these for each chain stitch across. Next, the half double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch where you'll have 3 hoops on the loops on the hook, and yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Repeat this across the row. Second to last, we have the double crochet. So you're going to yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, and pull through the stitch where you'll have 3 hoops on the loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, then you'll have 2 loops on the hook, and then yarn over, pull through the remaining 2 loops, and you'll repeat that across the row. And last we have the treble crochet. Yarn over twice, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through the stitch where you'll have 4 loops on the hook. You'll then yarn over and pull through 2 loops at a time, where you'll remove 1 loop on the hook each time you pull through. And you'll do that across the whole entire row. Great, and now that we're familiar with the basic stitches, let's move on to crafting our coaster. First, we'll start by making the magic circle. Then chain 2, and double crochet 9 times into the magic circle. Slip stitch into the second chain of the initial chain 2. To start round 2, we'll chain 2, double crochet into the slip stitch, and then double crochet 2 into each double crochet from the previous round. Then you're going to slip stitch into the second chain of the initial chain 2, and you'll end this round with 20 double crochets total. For round 3, it's going to be very similar to round 2. We're going to chain 2 and double crochet 1 into the slip stitch. And then we're going to double crochet 2 into each of the double crochet from the previous round. Here we start round 4, which is where you could do a color change if you wish. We're going to then chain 1 after the slip stitch, and then single crochet into the slip stitch. Single crochet 1 into the next 2 double crochets, and then you're going to start with doing 1 single crochet, then a half double crochet, then a double crochet, and then a treble crochet. And then in the next double crochet, you'll do the exact opposite, starting with a treble crochet, and then a double crochet, and then a half double crochet, followed by a single crochet. Repeat these steps a total of 8 times, going the whole way around your coaster. And then at the very end, you'll slip stitch into the first chain. So you'll cut the yarn, leaving a long tail, and then using your embroidery needle, you'll weave in any loose ends, making sure to go and put it up, down, and over, or at least 3 directions when you're weaving it through. And with that, congratulations! You've just completed your crochet coaster. Feel free to make more or complete set or experiment with different yarn colors and sizes. For more crochet tips, tricks, and patterns, visit the description below for a PDF guide of the project where you can find additional resources to build your skills.